Stop filming me smoking, will you?
I'm not.
It's not very future.
Otherwise, we're going to make it
we're going to make it a vape channel. Vaping in Lanzarote. Yeah, we're going to just go to different places in the world and vape.
Today is the second day we're going to be going on a volcano. Are you? Yes, you are.
Well, this is the car. That's gasolina. In Ireland, that means it's petrol. You don't have to put petrol in the car, but it helps. As you can see, this is a 7-seater. You got two options with this car. You can have boot space or 7 seats. You can't have both. You see, we've got this handy compartment for fuses, electric, and you can see some black tape on the wires there.
What's that? Shouldn't it be black?
If you want to hide your drugs, you can put them in there. That's
but we don't have any
anchor point for the luggage.
There's no point.
We have some additional storage capacity. No, we don't have any additional storage capacity.
I think you need to put the seats down first.
Maybe. Oh, okay.
Oh, jeez, wow. Bigger boot.
Where'd the boogie go?
Yeah.
With volcanoes and see someone cooking steak on a hot thing. Stop filming me smoking, will you?
I'm not.
It's not very future.
Otherwise, we're going to make it
we're going to make it a vape channel. Vaping in Lanzarote. Yeah, we're going to just go to different places in the world and vape. talk about vaping in different countries. Well, this mod I have would just be like, the sun is out. Yeah, so today we're in Lanzarote, but that doesn't matter if we're talking about vaping. Oh, wait.
There's so many volcanoes on this island. Can't believe this whole eruption happened for 6 years, from 1730 till 1736. The volcano Timanfaya. You are now trapped. It's a huge palm tree right there. So I just put on my swimsuit and now I'm gonna go in the pool. Where are we going?
Going to eat.
Who knows?
We are going to eat pizza.
Pizzeria. That just looks like a Christmas tree.
So we're here at Tex-Mex. We're gonna try and find something to eat that will cater for these hungry people. We have Annie, who never likes anything. We have Laura,
We love churros. We've never had them. We really want them.
with her interesting hair. Oldest, who wants a kebab. That's it. And now there is King Arthur, the first. Let us see what's on the menu. Barbecue pork ribs.
Lasagna. We have now finished eating all of our meals and we're gonna go home and go to bed. See you tomorrow.
Right, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Remember cutting class, we was smoking chill. It was on the gym and lunch, we thought it was real. I was even feeling mad, I ain't even care. Yeah, just to be around you made it worth it. I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. I remember